Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So last 4 or 5 days I didn't post any video. We had a very big accident in our office. Like our whole electrical system failed, and I had to work from home, right? One or other problem is keep on coming, right? I couldn't do my work properly also. Anyway, sorry for the inconvenience. If you are following us continuously, so markets are still volatile, and if you are into market, or if you are an active trader, you might notice that market is not moving anywhere, right? So it's been almost maybe 10-15 trading session. Market has really not moved anywhere, and this is the right time for option sellers, right? Option sellers like you and me, right? And if you see the FII data, FII have huge short positions in future. We'll talk about that later. But if you see for the last maybe even from January, it has not gone anywhere. Like it has gone. High was around 18,200 and low was around 17,400. In between it is swinging. And hopefully tomorrow we will see some market trajectory. Maybe a up move or down move will happen. That's because tomorrow is a very important day. That is our Reserve Bank Governor Shaktikant Das is going to come out with interest rate hike, which is very important event. So last time it was around 35 basis point increase in interest rate, which is around 6.25%. Now maybe another 25 basis points, it's going to be 6.5%. And honestly speaking, your car loans, your mortgages, your personal loan, your credit cards, your capital overdraft, everything is going to get expensive, right? That is what they are trying to say, right? So this is how the markets are. And we don't have to talk much about Adani. Whole town is talking about Adani. And it is not, we don't have to talk much, right? Everyone knows what is going to be in Adani. Adani is history. A few days down the line, who knows, maybe they will remove Adani Enterprises from Nifty 50. And let me show you one figure of this FII data. So if you go and see, total future index short FIIs have around 136,180 active contracts, right? They are heavily shorting the index futures, right? So this is and apart from that, they are also unwinding longs. Future index long is just 24,788. Where is 24,788 and where is around 136,180 contracts, right? Maybe 500% more they have short index, short futures in index. So that's very, very not danger. Even though we say it is danger, you know what will happen. DIIs will give fight, right? So if you see this DII activity, so future index long DIIs are having 52,077 contracts, and future index short they have only 22,461. But on the opposite side, FIIs are having around 136,180 contracts. That is 120% increase than the last time. This is last was around 6 till yesterday. So this is the way people are trading. This is the way FIIs are short in the market. So if you want to go, I'm not saying you shouldn't be going long. You can go, that is really up to you. But you think when institutions, that too foreign institutional investors, are having heavy short positions in index futures, I don't think market is likely to go on the higher side, right? That's why I told DIIs may give a good fight, but it is always ultimately FIIs who is going to win the battle. So maybe you can write some call options, maybe you can buy some put option. So it's up to you whether you are on option buyer or option seller. And if you are a non-directional trader, I'll tell you something. Had you done some strategies 1 week back, or had you done not even 1 week back, just 2 or 3 days back, you would have made good profit. We shared a strategy in our Telegram group. If you want, you can join the Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. We have made excellent money. It's a simple iron fly, or let's say it's a straddle, and it has given around 8 to 9% till date. So we did when the strategy was when the India VIX was very high, around 16 or 17 levels, and now it has given excellent strategy, that too in March expiry. So always try to trade long-term option, go for long-term option. And honestly speaking, weekly option is going to be very, very tough going forward. It is too much crowded, so stick to long-term option, so that even your adjustment can work in your favor. So that's what I'm trying to say, right? You do weekly options, you can do adjustment. I'm not saying you cannot do adjustment, but India VIX is not in favor of doing adjustments in weekly options. That is because India VIX is low, India VIX is shrinking, and obviously option premiums are also going to shrink, and you are going to have gamma effect in weekly option. So best thing is go for long-term option and trade in long-term option, right? And if you see other areas, US markets are really weak. As I talk to you, US futures are trading in the red. All Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is trading in the red. And what is very interesting is, in spite of FIIs having huge short position in futures, premiums, if in Nifty future is trading at a premium of around 60 rupees. So that is very much interesting. Maybe it is a trap. Okay. As I talked to you, Dow Jones is down by 0.5%, S&P is down by 4 flat, and Nasdaq is also flat. Europe is kind of flat. German and France is also kind of flat. So this is a snapshot of what has happened to global market, right? So as always, try to trade long-term options, or try to do some strategies in long-term option. That's what I'm not saying you shouldn't be trading weekly options. You can trade weekly options, but it's going to be not working in your favor. And in the meantime, I know it's been very long time I haven't come out with a video of strategies. Like we usually, at least in a month, 1 or 2 videos we'll put about strategies, but it's been a quite long time I haven't posted any videos about strategies. You don't worry, we will share some strategies. We are working on that. Of course, I have a lot of work, lot of backlog. I'm extremely sorry. I know I am not giving you valuable content. Whatever I talk, this market, all this Adani, that, this and all is all crap. So please bear with me. I can understand what you have. Like I can assure you, or I can tell you that I am not giving you a very valuable content, right? I am coming here daily and giving you something which you already know. So that's going to change. That's what I am trying to say. So we'll come out with interesting videos. We are working on that. So just bear with me. Until then, I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.